This exercise will be performed on a full-size vertical foam roller so that your head and your low back is supported. I am using a PVC pipe, but you can also use any other light object like a broomstick or any sort of stick. You're going to start by placing the PVC pipe over your head with your elbows at a 90-degree angle, and we're going to perform an overhead shoulder press, but we're laying vertically on a foam roller. And the reason we're doing so is because gravity is going to push our elbows to the floor and even our hands, and your hands may touch the floor as you can see here. The goal and idea of this stretch is that you're going to allow your muscles to open up and be more flexible. So when you transition to your workout and you're doing a dumbbell or a barbell overhead press, that you're not going to have to arch your low back. You're going to be able to move that weight more fluidly. And that doesn't mean that when you're doing an overhead press that your weight should be behind your head like it is on the foam roller. But what we're allowing our muscles to do is open up and be flexible so that it can move more fluidly in our workout and more comfortably. It's very common that people will arch their low back when doing an overhead press. So when you're doing this stretch, make sure your low back is staying on the foam roller and that gravity is doing the work. Don't force the overhead to happen. Allow the gravity just to push your muscles to be open and more flexible.